All right, guys, so everyone needs 2 sheets per student. Put your names on both sheets so that we don't lose them. So my name is Kaelyn White. I teach 8th grade science here at Chinle Junior High, and we use zSpace once a week. If I do Mondays, I can plan the whole week to go back to what we learned in zSpace. So the code that you guys have is on the top. It's A091. So go ahead and get into Z Central with that. When I'm preparing for zSpace, I usually log into the zSpace website. I access it using next generation science standards. So I type in a keyword, energy or whatever we're studying. After I do that, I open up the lesson and then I go through the PDF for the teacher part and then the student side. So what do my students need to know before I go into this code? I take that zSpace lesson for students into a Word document, and then I go into zSpace, the actual app, and then I take images or I take the text and I make sure that it's aligning with what standard we're going by and what I need to teach. That's my planning process. So I'm gonna play this video for 1 minute, and based off of this video, I want you guys to look at the 3 jars in front of you. At the beginning of my lesson, you'll see that I started with a video. It's really because I want them to get background knowledge first. I don't expect them to just to know all this right then and there. I try to like scaffold. What was the first one, the first state that was discussed?
Solids.
Solids? What do we need to write about solids?
Solids are closely.
They're closely packed together. So which jar is it? Jar 1, 2, or 3? When I guide the instruction, they have better success at it. As a school, we're trying to go toward better writing and then using evidence to back up their claims. So we're guessing whether each jar holds a solid, liquid, or gas, and we're explaining why. I want you guys to work with the person that you are sitting next to provide a reasoning as to why you think it is a solid, liquid, or gas. I'll give you guys 3 minutes. Anytime that I have them work together, they're just talking to each other to put their thoughts together. When they do that, they hear it from the student's perspective rather than mine. They're now understanding it to their peers level. So that's why I usually use partner talk. If thermal energy is removed from a system, what happens to the kinetic energy of the system? So we're gonna restate and answer that. You don't have to type it, you're just writing them down. Are there any questions? So we don't have a lot of time in the zSpace lab to begin with, so just printing it and having it readily available for students, it's a lot easier that way. And on paper, they're able to see their responses, and I'm able to see their responses too as I'm walking around. All right, guys, bell's gonna ring in 1 minute. Go ahead and finish up what you guys have, and then bring them over here. We're gonna work on the rest of this tomorrow. I grade the zSpace assignment. Like I want to see if they're understanding if there's an increase in thermal energy or a decrease in thermal energy and how that affects kinetic energy. We've covered all of this information in the last couple of weeks, and now I'm seeing, okay, can they apply this concept to something new? It really helps, I guess. It helps to build that background knowledge.